It has started. Disease X is here, and the demons have let loose on earth again. Remember, we talked about that couple months back about Disease X. They just didn't say when it would appear, what it would look like. Now we know what they're doing. Have you heard about the unknown disease that is killing people in Africa? Well, unknown disease kills 143 people in southwest DRC, and local authorities stated. The infected people described as having flu-like symptoms include high fever and severe headaches. An unknown disease killed 143 people in southwest province of Democratic Republic of Congo in November, the local authorities reported. Infected people had flu-like symptoms including high fever, severe headaches. Remy Sige, the deputy governor of Kawango province, and Napoleon Bo, the provincial minister of health, said on Monday. Now, I want to let you know that in St. Vincent, also in, I think it was Trinidad, someone reported to me that some children have been coming down with a flu-like symptom, been going on for like a week, and it just been just bringing up a lot of bad cold. We said yes, it's the flu season. We heard about it. Okay, fine. They said no, no, no. This is not no flu going on here. This is something going on here. Now, this is an unknown disease. It has flu-like symptoms, high fever, severe headaches, but it's killing people. So when we come here and we tell you, look, the demons that control this planet or think they have total control of this planet are planning to do something. They continue to operate in a nasty manner. Did you hear today that NATO said that they want less talking about peace and more weapons in Europe? Did you hear Putin today said that he could attack Gibraltar or Cyprus to respond to the West sending weapons into Ukraine? This is not a joke thing going on, guys. I'm just keeping you up to date on what's really taking place. And that's why I keep telling you, share these videos, comment on them, comment, comment, comment. Let's hear from you. Check this out. Deadly mystery illness has DR Congo on alert. So I was talking to you about the same one, and they're saying that the unidentified illnesses, which mainly affects children, has already caused dozens of deaths with no precise diagnosis. Health officials are scrambling to find out whether it is viral or bacterial. Health officials or health authorities in the Democratic Republic of Congo are investigating the outbreak of a disease that has killed dozens of people. We do not know if we are dealing with a viral disease or a bacterial disease. That's what the Director General of the National Public Health Institute said during an online press briefing by the African Union Health Watchdog. So far, authorities have confirmed nearly 80 deaths out of the 376 reported cases, with the first infections reported at the end of October. And then this was there, and then we heard before about the 143 children at high risk of infection. The unknown disease is currently concentrated in the Panzi district in Kawango province, located 435 miles from the capital, Kinshasa. Panzi district is remote with difficult to access roads and nearly non existent health infrastructure. You always ask yourself, why is it that everything starts in Africa? Why is it that they always say, oh, this starts in Africa, this starts in Africa, that's what do you think they're doing? There's a serious problem with black people. Authorities have dispatched a medical research team, including epidemiologists, to the site to assess the situation and take samples or the analysis. Fever, cough, runny nose, headache, and body aches. Listen to me. Listen to me carefully. They said that disease X could come at any time. This one has flu like symptoms. It's killing people. They don't know what it is. That's what they say. You have to be very careful these days. We know what is going on. We know what is up. We know what is happening. We just have to be on our lookout. Okay? Be on our lookout. And the reason why I said that the demons have let loose and they've let loose on your children. Remember in the last pandemic, we decided that many of our children are not going to take that juice. You see what they're doing now? You see what they're doing now? Anytime they find out and they know what's happening, but they will come and tell you, oh, we have definitely figured out what's going on. There is a juice for that as well. And it's children. It's mainly affecting children. Don't get it twisted. They know what they're doing. They know exactly what they are doing. Keep your eyes open. All right. Do not sleepwalk into this one. Then here comes the mystery illness. Where did it show up now? Let's see. Fears mystery Congo disease already in America as Ohio hospital quarantines African traveler with unknown flu illness. Anytime it gets to the US, anytime it gets to Canada, anytime it gets to the UK, it gets to the Caribbean. An Ohio hospital was in panic last night after a patient who had recently arrived from Africa was rushed to its ER with a flu like illness. The individual was quarantined when staff learned the patient had traveled from Tanzania, which borders the DRC. Patients infected with the mystery disease are reported to be suffering from flu like illness with symptoms including a fever, headache, nasal discharge, cough, difficulty breathing, and anemia or lack of healthy red blood cells. Again, when the people had arrived back from China Games in 2020, when that was already the nasty disease that we had, right? They said it was just flu-like symptoms, and they said that nothing was wrong with these people, and they just allowed them to go back into society. And then by the time January of 2020 came, you know what they said? March of 2020, they said, "Oh, we have the well, you know what? Because I'm not gonna say it here. Keep your eyes peeled. Do not sleepwalk into this one again. The children, the children, the children. Pay attention. Like, share, and subscribe to the channel, guys. Comment, and say all you have to say because if you don't, YouTube is not going to share our videos in the algorithms. And we need to have that done so that more people can join the community. But I look forward to you liking, sharing, subscribing to the channel. Remember, guys, they are after our young ones. They did not get them during the last ramage that they made through the world. They're coming again with something else. So be on the lookout and ensure that you take all the steps necessary to protect life living and always keep in the know. All right?